Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting your computer directly to the TP-Link router with an Ethernet cable. This avoids flaky Wi-Fi issues. Next, open a browser and enter the router's IP address from the label, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. If you don't know it, check your network adapter's gateway address. Make sure you have the default username and password printed on the router or in the manual. If not, once the login page appears, type the username and password exactly, case matters. If the page won't load, try HTTP versus HTTPS, clear cache, or use another browser. Sometimes the router's web server prefers one. After signing in, pause and locate the Administration or System Tools section. This is where you change the router password, update firmware, and set basic settings. Make sure to change default credentials now to prevent unauthorized access, and write down the new password safely. To finish, apply your changes and reboot the router so new settings take effect. Then confirm your devices can reconnect to Wi-Fi and the internet. If you can't log in at all, perform a hardware reset by holding the reset button for about 10 seconds, then re-enter the default IP and credentials from the label. If problems persist, update the router firmware from the administration page. This often fixes UI bugs and connectivity issues. Keep a backup of your configuration after it's working.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.